In this video, you'll learn about adding paragraphs of text with the Type tool and applying a few basic formatting options. If you'd like to follow along, open your own Illustrator document or this practice file from the files for this tutorial. To add a paragraph of text to this document, select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left. Then move the pointer into a blank area on the artboard on the right. Click and drag to create an area for your text. Placeholder text should appear in the type object and also be selected. This type of text is called area type, and it's similar to how you create text in Adobe InDesign. It's also how you create paragraphs of text in Illustrator. With the placeholder text still selected, type in some text. I'll type in, "Let us market your business. Quick, simple, and elegant designs, all made in-house by our top designers." If you have text you created in another program, you can copy and paste that text in Illustrator, or you can choose File, Place to place Word documents, RTF files, text files, and a lot more. Now to move the text into position in the design, select the Selection tool in the Tools panel on the left. Drag from within the text to below this heading. To resize the type area to fit better in the design, click and drag a corner of the type area. Notice that the text wraps within as you drag. If you drag the corner, making the type area too small, a red plus will appear in the lower right corner, telling you that the text no longer fits. This is called overset text. Drag that corner to make sure you see all of the text. Now to make the text a little bit smaller, in the Properties panel to the right of the document, you should see the font size option. Click the arrow to the left of the font size to make the size 11 point. And then click away from the text to deselect it. Now you can add text to all kinds of projects you create, like descriptive text for a brochure, copy on a website, or even content for your own package design.